Hello, everybody, children of Grange and adults of Grange. Welcome to the final assembly, final CC assembly of 2021. Next time I see you in assembly, it'll be 2022. So, we know what we are all about at Grange. We have our very own CC way. No other school in the world has the CC way. We're the greatest school in the galaxy. We know that the G for Grange stands for a great caring attitude. We all care at Grange. The R of Grange stands for really trying our best. The A from Grange stands for always learning, especially from our mistake. Doesn't feel nice to make a mistake, but hey, make a mistake, we use it, and we use the power of the mistake to always be learning. Now you thought I forgot the N, coming back to it. The second G from Grange is for going for improvement and progress. That's what we're about. Our PBs, our personal best, doesn't matter what anybody else is doing. We go for our best and improving our best. The E from Grange is education, which we use to help us to make good choices as we go along in our lives. And you thought I'd forgotten the N, but no, I hadn't. The N stands for never, ever give up, because we are Great Grange CC learners. And we go to the best school in the whole galaxy, the school that knows that true strength is your character strength. When you are your very best self inside yourself, and you live with your best actions, when you do good listening, when you use kind words, when you use kind hands for great actions, that is character strength, Grange style, and that is confidence for myself and consideration for everybody around me. That's when I know I'm going to be kind to myself and I'm going to be kind to everybody around me. That is the Grange CC way. So here are some Grange people of power. Give us hope. Misa, I still think we're going to keep on going with your brilliant CC Power sticker idea. I just love that. We've got to do that, even if it's only for the Grange head teacher, maybe, that I'll be able to give out those CC Power stickers. But we've got to design them. I think you've designed them, Misa. I need to see that design. I want to give a shout out to our Grange children who welcome the new children, make them feel safe and happy, and every Grange child who makes every other child of Grange feel safe and happy. That's so beautiful. I want to give a shout out to all the Grange children who do CC walking, star sitting, and CC salutes. When you see me, Mr. Kerbal, CC salute. And I also want to give a shout out to Team Greta Thunberg and Team Malala, because you have used powerful use of assessment and planning to help our children of Grange succeed in their learning. I've been looking through all the maths data again this weekend, and I see that Greta Thunberg team and Malala team, you took on board what I said, and you have really put in great compass progress. So well done to all of you. Shout out for you. And what is our character strength focus for the day? Respect and appreciation. Now, respect and appreciation, what that means is, when I see somebody's different to me, I don't just say, oh, that's okay, you can be different to me. When you see somebody different to me, I say, I respect you. You're different to me, but I really respect you. Not only do I respect you, I appreciate you. Maybe I want to learn a bit more about you. I want to honor you. I want to make you feel welcome, even though you're different to me. I want to see what I can learn from you, even though you're different to me. Because at Grange, we know it's not just about who we are today, but about always living our lives so we can become the best of ourselves that we can be. And to do that, we've got to meet people who are different to us. We've got to learn from them in a positive way, learn good things and grow from it. And even if we don't agree with them, we'll learn good things from that and grow from that. And we will do CC walking. And when we do CC walking, that means I'm confident for myself, but I'm considerate and care about other people. We do star sitting. It means I'm going to learn. I'm not wasting my time. I will learn and do my best, because I know nobody else can live my best life for me. I've got to live my best life, and I've got to do my very best. So here's the feedback forum. I want to say, Picasso, you've been brilliant with your feedback so far, but we can have more classes that can give me feedback, because I am trying very hard behind the scenes to organize a superhero visit to our school. Now, this superhero is not somebody who wears a cape, somebody who can fly, somebody who can shoot spidey webs. This superhero is a child just like you who goes to another London school. But this child, who's in year 4 right now, was born without sight, couldn't see, and couldn't hear. But somehow this child is a true superhero, is now in year 4, can read and write and do maths and learn just like all of you. That is a superhero. And we will hopefully get a chance to meet her. And my question to you, or my mission for you, Key Stage 1 at Grange Primary School, best school in the whole galaxy, is what questions would you like to ask this superhero when she visits us? Maybe you want to ask her what's her favorite thing about her school. Maybe you want to ask her what's her favorite book she's ever read. Maybe you want to ask her what's the most important thing she's ever learned from any of her teachers. Maybe you want to ask her what is the funniest joke she's ever heard. You might have so many questions, but I need you to work with your teacher now and with your educator now to give me feedback. What questions? Because I have to send her those questions before she visits us so she can prepare. So that is your mission, Key Stage 1 of Grange, best school in the galaxy. What questions do you want to ask this superhero, this true superhero who's coming to visit us in 2022, which is just around the corner? Looking forward to getting your feedback. Well done, everybody. Remember, these are some of our Grange thoughts. We're all connected because we all live in the same world and we go to this amazing school, all of us together. So if anybody has a problem in our school, then we don't say, oh, that's just your problem, it's not my problem. We say, your problem is my problem, and I'm going to help you to succeed. Because at our school, we know that being kind, making somebody else feel safe is the best thing in the whole world. So we don't turn our backs on anybody. We say, when we see somebody in Grange, we say, I see you for who you are, and I appreciate you, and I respect you. I'm considerate. And then I say, I see me for who I am. I'm kind to myself. I love myself, and I appreciate all of me. And that's my confidence. That's the CC way. So who are our stars of the week? Well, we have Hassan and Isaac and Janam and Summer and Ilyas and Ilham. And well done, all of you. Look at those gold stars again. And class champions, Saraji, Laura, and Kirat in Rumi, and Yasin in Malala, Sama in Malala, Hassan in Malala, Isaac in Malala, Rawan in John Lennon, Nazanin in John Lennon, Noreen in John Lennon, and in year 1, Ilham in Greta Thunberg, Justin in Greta Thunberg, Santosh in Greta Thunberg, Rujana in Greta Thunberg, Sophia D in Alan Turing, Nasser in Alan Turing, and Nur in Alan Turing. And that means all of us together, look at that massive number, 16,869 CC PowerPoints we got in this last week. So who were the classy class as well? Malala class got 1,107 points, but the classy class of the week, give them a superhero round of applause, with John Lennon class with 1,831 points. So, I mean, that number, I do not expect you in year 1 or year 2. You shouldn't, well, I don't know. Actually, Grange is the best school in the universe. So maybe children in Grange in year 1 and year 2 actually can read that massive number. Maybe come surprise me and tell me if you meet me in the corridor, say, Mr. Goebel, I could read that number. It's 250,000. And that is what we said. We are going to try and get 250,000 CC points in the autumn term. And guess what, everybody? We did it. In fact, we're closing in on 260,000 points. So everybody, I'm just going to say, at Grange, the best school in the whole universe, we set ourselves a crazy, ridiculous target of 250,000 points, and we made it because we're powerful at Grange. We are kind at Grange. We're so kind. We make each other feel happy and safe, and we look after each other. We share. We are loved at Grange, and we are Grange. Now, never forget that, everybody. If you go to Grange, you're going to the best school in the whole universe. It's just an amazing, amazing place, and we made it. We had the reindeer, and last autumn one, my Lila class, you were the classiest class, and I brought you those 2 dinosaur books. So who's the classiest class of the whole autumn term? And we'll see what other treat you get. Let me give you a CC salute. Each of us, let you give me a CC salute. Put your hand on your heart and be confident. Say, I love myself. I care about myself. I'm kind to myself. I believe in myself. I go to the best school in the universe, in the galaxy, and then look at our beautiful planet and say, I am considerate. I am a kind person who cares about all my friends who go to Grange, who cares about all the adults who work in Grange, who cares about everybody at Grange. I want to make everybody feel safe at Grange. I want to feel everybody happy, make everybody at Grange happy, and everybody succeeding. We are the Grange people, the CC people, confidence and consideration. So let's be great and let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead. Let's be safe and happy. I'm looking so forward to hearing your questions for our superheroes coming to visit. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential at Grange, the best school in the galaxy. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.